Have you ever wanted to surf the web without leaving a digital footprint? Well, you can do that by browsing in incognito mode. And in this video, I'll show how you can open private or incognito browsing session in Google Chrome on PC. So let's get started. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Now, click on the three dot icons from the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will find a new incognito window. Click on it, and you will be in the private or incognito mode. Whatever you browse here, it won't be saved on your computer or in the history. Oh, you can also open the incognito window by pressing Ctrl or Ctrl plus Shift plus N together. Easy, right? So guys, that's how you open private or incognito browsing session in Google Chrome on your computer. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Hungry for more Chrome browser related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!